one example of how we obtain and use inside information. I'm going to be talking to you about how Kerry McDonald, one of our killer paralegals, sat in on a webinar with Amazon and the questions that sellers posed. Okay, Amazon sellers, so Kerry sat in on a webinar that Amazon held, and it was a Q&A session, and I'm going to discuss with you the questions that sellers posed during that exchange. The number one question: how can sellers get more reviews? Amazon's position is to purely get reviews organically. Sell great products, sell them at great prices, make sure the customer is getting exactly what the customer wants, and that's how you get reviews. Now, Amazon's rep clearly doubled down, tripled down. You cannot incentivize reviews. You can't pay anything to get reviews. Be really, really careful. Make sure you comply with all of Amazon's policies. The second most prolific question had to do with intellectual property rights. The sellers were asking about what to do when they receive an intellectual property right complaint. And the answer was exactly what we have been telling you year after year, video after video. You have to follow Amazon's directions. First thing you do is do an analysis. Did you violate anybody's intellectual property rights? The second thing you do is you approach the complainant, the person or the company that made the complaint, and you try and get a retraction. But in order for that retraction to really go through Amazon's system well, you have to have the complaint was made in error, and you have to have that retraction come from the same email from where the complaint was asserted. Number three, restricted products was a huge source of communication during this webinar. There is an entire list of restricted products that you need to be aware of. You need to check the list before you start selling. The rep also confirmed what we see practically every day, is that if you write a well-crafted plan of action, that Amazon is also super open to reinstating you even though you made that mistake. So those are the top three topics discussed at the January 20th webinar: customer reviews, intellectual property, and restricted products. And if you want to learn more about any of these topics, go to our website, plug in any one of the searches, and we have boatloads and boatloads of free information for you.